Hey guys, what's up? It's Bonita and we're back with another tutorial. Today we're gonna jump into a little bit of footwork and a little bit more advanced with your flow. So this step is called a two-step, also known as a baby swipe. So this does start to set you up to understand what swipes are, which we'll learn in a later tutorial as well. So let's get to it. It's a footwork step and they're two steps, right? So basically, as we've talked about in some of the other tutorials, we want to get back onto this kind of home base plant squat here on top of your toes. You can go both directions depending on which way your footwork flows. My footwork goes counterclockwise, so that's the way we're gonna rock with it for right now. So I'm gonna start out, I'm gonna kick one leg forward. This is actually gonna be your left leg if you're marrying me, but kicking one, then I'm gonna switch my leg two. I don't touch the floor. This really, we want to kind of get this flow first, right? So this can kind of be a little bit of a warm up for you before we get to the two-step two, just to kind of get that flow. One is the first step. We're gonna switch two, the leg that's out, that's the way my body's gonna turn. So I'm gonna go over that leg, plant my hands down. This leg is gonna come in like a sweep, yeah, just like, or like a hook right here. I'm gonna pop up onto my hands, and I'm gonna kick, shoot my right leg out, facing the back, yeah? So I landed on my toe right here. Good, that's my one. I'm gonna switch, two, and then I'm gonna come back in, do that hook. Now I'm facing the opposite side, kicking up. Now I'm back to the front on one. Switching, two, then I'm gonna hook that foot in, hands go down, plant, kick out, shoot my right leg to the back. Swinging right, swinging left, hooking in, jumping up, swinging out, right? So you've got two steps. Now, just like your footwork flow, there is a little momentum that has to go with that, okay? We're gonna also reverse it to the other side, and then we'll show it a little sped up. So here's my other foot, my left, swinging right. I'm gonna hook in, facing the opposite direction, jumping, kicking out. Left, switching to right, coming in, up, left, right. Yeah, so it just depends what foot you wanna go, which direction your footwork is flowing, all of that. Just remember, whatever leg is out, that's the way that you're gonna turn. That's the direction you're gonna fold into that hook. Yeah, which is natural. If you already have that kind of natural footwork flow going in, that would be natural for you. Okay, so now I'm gonna just show you how to go from up top. We're gonna sweep right into that baby swipe, yeah? So you can understand the flow instead of just dropping and starting with your leg kicked out. So if I'm up here, I'm gonna sweep, yeah? I'm gonna sweep here, and then I'm gonna kick out from there. So I'm gonna go boom, tap, tap, boom, tap, tap, boom, tap, tap, boom, tap, tap, boom, yeah? So that was the sweep, and then you're going into it. Sweep, kick, kick, sweep, kick, kick, sweep, kick, kick, yeah? So there is a momentum. You can't really, when I was teaching it so you can understand the mechanics of it. Kick, kick, up, and of course, start it in that speed, but then when you actually go to throw it in a flow, you wanna go from that sweep and then kick it out from there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you the baby swipe two-step with a little bit of a flow. So here we go. All right, guys, so there's your baby swipe two-step. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Reply in the comments. Anything else you want me to teach as well. Keep practicing, keep it up, and I'll catch up with you soon. Peace out.